Okay, let us take a look at the price. Last year, I think you remember that we launched the Xiaomi 13 12 plus 256 gig at 1199. And we launched the 13 Ultra 12 plus 512 gig at 1699. So now, what happened this year? The Xiaomi 14 will start at a price of 999 for the 12 plus 256 gig variant, and for the 12 plus 512 gig variant, it will be at 1199. Isn't that wonderful? Whoa! Wow, very cooperative, are you? Okay, so we are also proud to announce that the Xiaomi 14 will open sales start tomorrow. And as a bonus, if you purchase the Xiaomi 14 from tomorrow until 22nd of March, you will receive the new Xiaomi Watch S3 plus a Xiaomi gift box, which inside have a lot of items. Later you guys can take a look. And also comes with the 6 months Google 100 gig cloud storage, 3 months YouTube Premium, 1 plus 1 year extended warranty, and total worth is actually more than 700 Sing dollars. Okay, now the next moment is the Ultra. The Xiaomi 14 Ultra will be priced at 1699 for the 16 plus 512 gig variant. And pre-order will actually start tomorrow. And I'm also happy to announce, if you place the pre-order from tomorrow until 22nd of March, you will get the free Xiaomi 14 photography kit. And the same YouTube Premium, Google One, as well as the 1 plus 1 year warranty and the screen protection. And we are also very happy and honored to announce that the Xiaomi 14 series will be available in the 3 telcos, M1, Singtel and StarHub in Singapore. Thank you very much to them. And apart from the operators, the Xiaomi 14 series will also be available through these major channel partners and more. Now let's take a look at the price for the wearables. The Xiaomi Smart Band 8 Pro will be priced at 119 RRP. And as usual, we'll have the early bird price of $89. And for the customizable Watch S3, it will be priced at 239 RRP. But yes, we have an early bird price again at 169. And lastly, for the Watch 2, we are priced at 299 RRP and an early bird price of 239. So there you have it, ladies and gentlemen. Grab your device before they are gone. I think I'll hand over back to Adam. I see some of you are very hungry. Thank you very much.
Alright, thank you Yap for that wonderful price announcement. I'm pretty sure you guys are excited because, so I'm going to be honest, okay, I'm a Malaysian, so when I see a phone worth 999 called 14, I'm very happy, but then if I convert it to SGD, I cry that. Anyway, ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much for joining us today for our Xiaomi 14 series launch. If you haven't taken a look or you would like more photos of the phone, it's all displayed out there. In the meantime, we want to have a great quick photo op, so I once again like to invite Yap and Kevin Tong up on stage to have a quick photo op with our Lens to Legend backdrop. Alright, thank you. Now, up next, please stay on stage. I would like to invite our retail partners to come join and have a quick photo up as well.
No photo, no food.
That is quite true. Okay, I guess some of you are shy. Okay, I would like to invite StarHub, Singtel, and M1 Star to come up on stage for a photo. I have officially called you out. It's a quick one, don't worry, don't worry. Right, ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much. And now the moment you've all been waiting for, it is lunchtime. Once again, thank you guys, and if you would like more photos, please feel free to head out to the lobby where you can check out all the products that are displayed today. My name is Adam, and it was a pleasure being your host today.